Welcome everyone. Here we are at the second part of the Luke's X-Wing. Here's where we got to last time with all our various minifigs over here. I'm going to wrap this one up today, I hope. I still like this functionality there. The S-holes going into attack position, or what they will be. But I know I've sort of slacked off on the other parts of my channel this last week, so I'm going to try and do better this week. Sorry about that. That being said, I'm ready to jump in and start going, so I'm about to do the usual thing. Alright, there we go. Got the lower wings on. They're heavy enough by themselves to cause it to sag, but that's once you get the other ones in, that's going to stabilize, I'm sure. Looks good. I like it. I like it. And actually, I have landing gears now, landing skids now, so I can actually sit it down level-ish. Alright, so almost done. One more set of wings, it looks like, and some engines back here, and we'll be ready to roll. So I'll pause it and set her up. Okay, there we go. Completed X-Wing fighter. And slide Luke in here. And R2 in the astromech slot. Ooh. There it went. Yeah. Got the. Guess I should do that from the back. Maybe make it more. Okay, I'm digging that. Let's see. Can I lean Luke up a little bit more where he's not actually laying down? Maybe. Let's see. A little bit, not much. Alright, so that completes our Luke's X-Wing. I like it. Well worth the... I think it's on sale for $40 as of filming. You know, of course, got Leia and General Dodonna as well. So this is obviously the New Hope X-Wing. She got the buns on. You know, so Luke's all... I'm an old school Luke fan, so that's sort of this really makes me happy. I never had the X-Wing in all my toys growing up. I had my brother had the X-Wing, but he wouldn't let me play with it because he knew I'd break it, and he was right. No hard feelings on that. But that's all for that. Like I said, this week I'm going to try and do better about getting my retro toys, or whatever you want to call them, videos posted. I was, like I say, I just slacked off towards the end of last week. I'm going to try and do better. I may go down to just doing 3 a week or something like that, just to sort of make the pace a little easier for me. I'll do more toys with fewer videos or something. You know, I'll figure that out as I go along. Otherwise, thanks for watching, folks. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe, because I'm going to keep going for quite a bit yet. Bye.